Alright people, got another couple of boards in. Do apologise about the mess. So what I've got here is an Xbox 360 wireless board. Remember, I believe this is the GQ wireless board. It could be the Matrix, so I haven't got my list with me. But anyway, as you can see, right stick doesn't return to the centre, and this one on occasions gets stuck. You see there, it's actually bent. It's actually working in a minute, but it does, trust me, it does get stuck. So what I need to do is replace the 3D analog sticks. So what I need to do these several points around here. Doing it with soldering iron on its own is a pain in the arse, so I've got my fantastic solder socket, and this works wonders. Right, I just need to make sure the end is clear. If I can find the right, there you go. Just to make sure it's all clear and there's no blockages. Right, let's set that up there. There we go. Take a little bit of time to heat up the solder, but it's not a problem. Especially on the ones with these bigger heat relief pads. It does get it off. You don't need to press down too hard, otherwise you end up damaging the board, which is what you don't want. Right, door's going. Just going to have to pause it, guys. Right, sorry about that. Little one was at the door. So what I need to do now is just check the actual parts come out. Yes, hello, Connor.
Hello.
Children. So I'm just going to go around with this. Make sure these are all heated up.
Point to yourself. Good doing.
I didn't get bread.
Well, oh yeah, that was supposed to be bread because he knows that the shop.
That's fine, I got one of those.
Right, just the last one to do now. And it's just this should come out pretty easily. Look at that. Perfect. Love this machine. Be right back. Right, so I've got one off. Perfect. Like I said, this one's damaged also. As you can see, it is getting stuck in that corner on more than one occasion. Possibly repairable, but I would say replace it. They're not that expensive. Let's get this off without wrecking it. Right. The idea is to get that clip off. What I find it is easier is just to take the solder off these 3 points here for the pots for the trigger bar. See, the arm just pulls out, and that's on one side, and then this plastic cage that holds the trigger will come out just a little bit of wiggling. There you go, and give you access to the back of the 3D analog stick. Oh. Right, so this one needs redone. That can happen sometimes. That's better. There you go. So another knackered one off board itself. We've got some spare analog sticks. Make sure they fit. The leg's not bent. And a universal, left will go right and right will go left. So it's not a problem. So there you go. Right. Now these are in place, what I need to do is solder them back in. I've got some leaded solder here. I'm not a fan of unleaded. Pain in the arse to work with. It cracks and dries. Anyway, here we go. Make sure that's level. It's sitting flat with the board, and then do the same on the other side. To be fair, you don't need a lot of solder. As long as the tip is clean and the actual surface area you're working to is clean, it'll work very nicely. As you can see, not a bad job. Make sure the stick is actually working, it clicks, it's not getting any stuck in any general direction. Works as it should, which is good. two bright ones we'll keep over there. Now if I put it in the right way. Once again, I'll start off with one of the earth points. What we do is heat it up and readjust it and make sure it's in the right place. There we go, flat to the board, moves and clicks. Okay, round and fix opposite corner. Right, now I'll need to solder up the switch. That's the other earth point. This is the y-axis pot, and this is the x-axis pot, I believe. I'm soldering up now. Feel free to chime in. I believe I'm wrong. That's exactly what I didn't want to open. It's actually caused the bridge, but that's easy enough fixed. Right, if you do get a bridge, this is where my other machine comes in handy. Unfortunately, I do not have any solder braid to hand, but I generally don't need it with this machine. Great machine as long as you know where to hit it. Right, now my fantastic machine is back up to temperature. I can sort out the bridge. That's how easy it is. There you go. Quick inspection. That's all back. It works. So there you go. That's what I need to do, is just put it back together. What I might do is post that later, but for now, that's generally what it is. I don't like waste. I don't see point chucking away a controller when a few quid, a few dollars, you can replace the switch. As long as you get a good quality one, not a problem. You try doing this by hand without this machine, pain in the arse, so no problem. That's it for now. Speak to you guys soon.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5.